Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Beauty Spot. Today I'm going to share with you a homemade neem oil remedy that will magically grow your hair long and thick. In addition to the added length, it will also solve any other issues that you may have with your scalp and hair. To make this remedy, you'll need 1 handful of neem leaves. Wash them and grind them into a paste in a food processor. Put about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a saucepan and heat it over a low flame for about 1 minute. Then add 1 teaspoon of neem paste to it and mix it properly in with the coconut oil. Heat for about 2 more minutes so that the magic of neem fully infuses with the goodness of coconut oil. Then turn off the flame and let it cool down. When it's cool enough, strain the oil and it's ready for use. Split your hair into sections as it's very important for even application. Apply the oil using your fingers. Packed with antioxidants that prevent hair loss, neem oil is nature's cure to all hair and scalp problems. Neem oil has regenerative properties that support healthy cell division and stimulate hair follicle growth and function. It also helps in countering hair thinning caused by pollution, stress, or medications. Therefore, regular application of neem oil promotes thicker, stronger, and more luxurious hair growth. Neem's anti-inflammatory, antibiotic, and antioxidant properties prevent baldness as it treats scalp issues like psoriasis, which can lead to permanent hair loss if left untreated. Neem oil also provides relief from inflammation, itchiness, and irritation that result from dandruff and relieves dandruff as well. Neem oil is known to be effective in treating head lice without any side effects. Gently but thoroughly massage the oil into your scalp. Massage the product in for 5 to 10 minutes to maximize blood circulation. It has anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. It regulates the secretion of sebum and normalizes dryness or oiliness of the scalp. Additionally, it has a cooling and soothing effect which help you relax. Regular application of neem oil to your hair helps treat premature graying as well. If your hair is turning gray due to hormonal imbalances, then you will benefit from neem oil. Leave it in for at least 1 hour. After 1 hour, wash your hair using a mild shampoo and your regular conditioner. Let your hair air dry. You can use this treatment 2 times per week. You'll notice from the first use that your hair will start to look healthy and will grow long and thick quickly. It will reduce any itching or dandruff on your scalp and make your hair healthy and beautiful. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!